Hi, wanna know how to change clock format on your Realme 12x? So, let me show you what is a clock format. If I will turn off my phone and then turn it on to see the lock screen, here you can see that I got my clock in the vertical position when both of the numbers are in one line. But we can also switch it to horizontal when the two numbers will be one under each other. So, to do it, firstly we would need to unlock our phone and now go to the settings. Here in the settings, we would need to scroll down to find this tab which is named Home Screen and Lock Screen. Click on it to open and now scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named Clock Style. Here is it. So click on it and here as you can see we got these two formats which is vertical and also horizontal. So currently I'm on the horizontal one, and if I will switch to the vertical, and now let's take a look on our lock screen. I'll turn off my phone and now we can see that the position of the clock has changed. So this is basically it. If you would like to switch back to the previous option, just go back to the same tab in the settings, home screen and lock screen, scroll down, find this tab which is named Clock Style, and here instead of the new option, choose the old one. In my case, this is the horizontal. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.